And we're back. In this video I'm going to show you how to create this circle overlay design in Adobe Illustrator. Under view we've got the smart guides and snap to point activated, a black fill and no stroke color. Let's start with the ellipse tool, left click, we make it 50 times 50. Press OK, align it to the center. Now we'll press Ctrl C to copy it and Ctrl B to paste it in the back, and we'll add 50 for the width and height. I repeat the process 2 times, so for 150 and 200, so we've got 4 of these circles all aligned to the center. Shift click with B, the selection tool. On 2 of them I'll make it blue, the other ones I'll make them white. Once again a shift click is needed here. Select it all, put it down, then I'll hold Alt and drag a copy out of it. I'll need another copy, the one on the left. I'll use that in case I might need it. I'll change the color for this one to red. And I use the shape builder tool, make sure you've got it all selected. And then hold Alt and delete the white circles. Could be that you need to delete this one and the white one. This is what we've got, and now we'll use the smart guides that will help us finding the right position so that the center aligns with the circle, the blue one below, and then I drag it downwards holding shift and place it just like this, so that we've got this overlap between the blue and the red perfectly positioned. Alright, we need another copy of the red one just in case we might need it, and I drag the blue one to the right side until it's positioned. The smart guides once again help us, and then I'll hold shift and bring it downwards. I'll press Ctrl Y for the outline mode, and you can see it's positioned correctly. Now select the 2 on the right side, hold Alt, drag a copy to the left and hold shift at the same time. And I need to reposition that slightly to the right side, hold shift again when you do that. And we've got the same overlap here. Now I put the red one on top. Again, the smart guides help me, and then I try to find the perfect overlap. You can see I need to move it a little bit more downwards, just like this. Then right click, arrange, bring to front. Make sure all of the red ones are in front. So shift click on them, then right click, arrange, bring to front. Alright, now we'll give it this transparency overlay effect. Simply shift click on the red ones, they should be grouped. Then go to Window, open your transparency menu and change the blending mode to multiply. And that's it. This is how you can create this effect. You can put a white background behind it, like I did in the thumbnail for this video. Right click, group, align it to center. And we're done. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.